Before we get into this meditation today, I'd sure appreciate your support. Consider subscribing to my channel now and you'll never miss out. This meditation is perfect for beginners or for anyone making themselves a priority within their busy day. Make sure you're in a comfortable position, arms relaxed, back supported, and gently close your eyes. At your own pace, take in a few peaceful deep breaths as you begin to let go your body and your mind. Allow your shoulders to drop down away from your ears. Relax your elbows, your hands, and your fingertips. You're not forcing your breath in any way. There's no judging, because where you are right now in this moment, you are perfect. I want you to bring awareness to your facial muscles. Relax your forehead, behind your eyes, your jaw, and your tongue. All these tiny muscles unwinding and releasing. You're even relaxing your thoughts, any frustrations, any obligations, or your to-do list. Right now, you're leaving it all behind. And if your mind begins to drift, it is okay. You're just going to bring your awareness back to your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out. You're feeling your body drop down just a little bit more as you melt into the surface that you are resting upon. You're breathing at your own pace. You're feeling the air come in through your nose, expanding your belly. And when you are ready, you are releasing, feeling your belly soften. And as you do, say to yourself, I release. I let go. You're being transported to a place where you're peaceful and calm. Your breathing is becoming very natural. You're noticing that you have a rhythm, and just allow this to be without judgment, without criticism. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. With your breathing and being mindful, in the present moment, you are cultivating a space where your body and your mind are balancing and calming. I would like you to imagine that you are outside, lying down on a blanket on the grass. It's a beautiful, warm day. The sun is just beginning to set, and the temperature is just right, just the way you like it. It's as if this place was made just for you. And although you find yourself alone, you are completely safe and comfortable. Relaxing and letting go, enjoying the sounds around you, the nature around you. The energy of this place is magnificent. As you lay there gazing up at the beautiful sky, you notice the colors, the reds, the blues, the yellows. And as you imagine fixing your gaze upon the horizon, you notice the clouds that are gently moving across the sky. It's very peaceful, and you're relaxed. You watch these clouds as they begin to form into shapes. Some look like animals. Others are forming abstract shapes that are fun and interesting. But all these different shapes, let your imagination roam free. Suddenly you notice that one of the clouds above you begins to form into a shape of a number. It looks just like the number 25. And as the soft breeze blows on it, you begin to see it dissolve and blow away as easily as it was formed. Then you notice another cloud forming, the number 24. That one begins to dissolve, just as the other. And you notice this keeps happening as the clouds form into the number 23 and then dissolve away. And then 22. And it continues this way, going down in numbers very, very slowly. 21. And you notice that in between each numbered cloud, as it blows away and the next one forms, 20. You are becoming so very tired. 19. So very relaxed. And you enjoy this wonderful relaxation. 18. And you find yourself even allowing yourself to let go even more. You give yourself permission to be present in this moment. 16. As you continue to see the clouds forming into the numbers. 15. And you continue to observe them slowly on your own. 14. And with each one, as it goes by, 13. You become twice as relaxed, twice as much as the one before. 12. as you observe them. 11. Dissolving, just passing by, blowing in the wind. 10. You are so comfortable, so open. 9. Deeper and deeper into this wonderful, relaxed state. 8. Comfortable and relaxed. 7. All outside sounds seem to help you let go even more. 6. As you allow yourself to be there completely. 5. Totally relaxed. 4. Totally safe. 3. And completely at ease. You fall into a wonderful dreaming state. 2. Until finally you see the last cloud form into the number 1. And as it dissolves, you allow yourself to let go completely. Deeper, deeper, so very calm. Your body is limp. Your mind is relaxed. But you can still hear my voice as you rest in this deeply peaceful state. Every time you breathe in and breathe out, you reaffirm to yourself, I am calm. I am relaxed. And you feel a wonderful warm wave of peace wash over you. You are here now, a deeply relaxed state, creating space for you, creating space to release and to reconnect with yourself. You know you can revisit this place anytime. This place is yours and yours alone. It is healing. It is restorative. So we are going to very slowly begin to wake back up. Come back to our physical space where we're resting. On your next breath in, I want you to wiggle your toes just to feel the physical sensation. And your next breath in, you can wiggle your fingers, slowly coming back to the room. And on your next breath in, you can move your neck back and forth. You can shrug your shoulders, move them in circles. You're just trying to feel your physical body. And then when you're ready, you're going to slowly open your eyes, feeling restored, feeling calm, and feeling peaceful.